Eggs are in almost every baking recipe, from cakes to custards. They have been present in desserts for thousands of years. That is why lacking eggs can pose such a problem to ill-equipped bakers. However, using basic chemistry, you can find any number of alternatives for such an important ingredient. But how is this possible? In order to find a replacement, we must first understand the chemistry behind eggs in baking. Baking a cake is essentially an endothermic reaction that transforms batter into a delicious dessert. Eggs are about 74% water, 12% protein, and 11% fat, and play three very important roles in this process. The egg's first job is to provide moisture for the cake. While the water does play a small role in this process, most of the H2O is evaporated when the batter hits 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, much of the moisture comes from the 11% fat, which only begins to evaporate at around 300 degrees Celsius. This keeps the cake from being too dry when it comes out of the oven. The egg's second job is as a leavening agent. Leavening agents allow pastries to rise as they are baked. Baking soda, a common leavening agent, is extremely alkaline in nature and forms pockets of water and carbon dioxide when combined with an acid. When egg whites are beaten, similar pockets of air are put into the dough. These pockets expand as heat is added, causing the cake to rise. The egg's third job is to give the cake structure. At around 144 degrees Celsius, proteins in the egg unravel and link together like coiled wires. This gives substance to most baked goods as the water begins to evaporate. The mesh that is formed allows the cake to hold its shape. As an added bonus, the proteins found in eggs also allow for Maillard reactions. Maillard reactions start to occur at 310 degrees Celsius, when proteins and sugars break down and rearrange themselves into ring-like structures. This gives baked goods their rich, new darker color in the oven. Replacing the eggs is now a simple matter of figuring out what role the eggs are playing in the reaction. In something with a tight crumb, like a brownie or cookie, the eggs are most likely used for moisture. Substituting other fatty liquids, such as oil or applesauce, would work best. In recipes that are extremely fluffy or don't contain baking soda, the eggs are probably the main leavening agent. Using water-activated flax seeds, baking powder, or even an off-the-shelf substitute may be best. In recipes that are very watery, the eggs are probably used as a binding agent. Replacements such as mashed bananas, gelatin, or peanut butter could work here. As long as you know your chemistry, missing eggs can't stop you from enjoying any one of your desserts.